Hello there. Today we will learn how to permanently delete your Gmail account from Google and Gmail database. Firstly, go to google.com. Come to the logo and manage Google accounts. Go to Data and Privacy. Click More Options. Finally, delete your Google account. It will ask you to provide your Gmail password. I already have given this. Now, simply have a look at the things you are going to lose after deleting your Gmail account. When you are 100% confirmed, tick the 2 boxes. And finally, delete account. Clicking here will delete your account completely from Gmail and Google as well. But keep in mind that you are not going to get it back at all in future. I am not going to delete my account, just tried to show the procedure. Hope you liked it and also subscribed. Goodbye.